Hello guys. Okay, ito na naman gagawin natin ang building number 1.1. Okay, so ida-download natin guys. Ito, arrow down, download, arrow up, submit, mode, manual. Okay, download natin task. Hintay lang tayo ma-download guys ha. Okay, 32 tasks. So, ang instruction dun sa training materials, draw the task using right angle tool. So, before, saka ito, after. Okay, right angle tool lang guys. Ito guys. Shortcut key sa keyboard is letter F. Gumawa kayo nito guys. Hanapin nyo yung pinakataas na straight line. Ito yun, pinakataas. So, corner to corner. Guys, then last point, always click the first point, click nyo, then space na, wag na kayo mag-click, space na para ma-close ang drawing. Ayan, next to corner to corner, parang kasali to sa building. Yan. Yan o. So, zoom in sa mouse scroll lang to guys. Click sa first point, then space. Okay na guys. Okay, sasabihin natin. Submit. Yes. Thank you.